Welcome to your CX Mailbox. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your mailbox for the first time using the voice user or speech interface. When you log into your mailbox for the first time, the system will lead you through a tutorial to configure your password, record a name, and record your greeting. During the setup tutorial, you can say help for help. Alternatively, if you do nothing, the system will repeat a menu of commands. In general, you can simply repeat a command from the menu or say main menu to go back to the beginning. To log into your mailbox for the first time, say user login and then follow the instructions. Let's get started.
Thank you for calling. Please stay on the line and an operator will be with you in a moment. At any time during this greeting, you can simply say the name of the person or the department you want to reach. For a list of departments, please say options.
User login.
Please say your name or enter your mailbox number.
Brian Jones.
Please say or enter your security code.
0000.
Since this is the first time you have logged in, I will help you set up your account. Please say or enter your new security code.
3690.
You said 3690. Is this correct?
Yes.
Security code changed. Please say your first and last name after the tone.
Brian Jones.
You said
Brian Jones.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Name changed. Please record a new greeting after the tone.
Hi, you've reached the mailbox of Brian Jones, and I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave the message at the tone, and I'll return your call as soon as I am able.
You said
Hi, you've reached the mailbox of Brian Jones, and I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave the message at the tone, and I will return your call as soon as I am able.
say save, re-record, or cancel.
Re-record.
Please record a new greeting after the tone.
Hi, you've reached the mailbox of Brian Jones, and I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave a message at the tone, and I can return your call when I am able.
You said
Hi, you've reached the mailbox of Brian Jones, and I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave the message at the tone, and I will return your call as soon as I am able.
say save, re-record, or cancel.
Save.
Hello. Brian Jones. Greeting saved. What would you like to do?
Goodbye.
Thank you for calling.
So as you can see, setting up your CX mailbox for the first time is a fairly straightforward and simple process. Once your mailbox is set up, you can always change any of these settings by saying change, followed by the item that you wish to change. For example, change my greeting or change my password. There is a quick reference card to aid you in any of these mailbox management tasks.